Hello friends again, like Sailor James said. And what has he bought this time? Well, I think you see it from there. It says car, but it's not for the car, it's for the boat. Let's see what we have here. It's almost good, almost again. Not a good sign, but it came a long way. Nice insulation stuff here. Here. Oh, that's nice to make something out of it. And to the corners too. Not so heavy. Can you see anything? Yes. It says Vevor again. It's the refrigerator for the boat. 50 liters. There's nothing wrong with my old refrigerator, but it's only 22 liters and it's too small. Here you can put some all the important things, and then there's still room for little food too. You know what I mean. I think it's at least 1836. Yeah, maybe 45 beer. No, sausage. Sausage I meant. And here's the thing for the wall connection. Wall connection, I don't need it. Now I need it maybe in winter. But this time I don't need it yet. I put it there and then I lose it. And then we have the socket and long enough cord for the 12 volt. And there's a spare one for the bottom. There is one already. That's nice. Well, there's not much to see here. I put this with me, and then I take you guys with me. We go to the boat and install it there. There's not much to install it, but anyway. Oh, it's magnetic. Nice. Nice, looks nice. And I think that's big enough. But let's take it to the boat anyway. with a little help of my friend. And then the fun part.
Ja etuluukusta sisään.
Ei apua. Veetipata. Toimii. Ei oo ollut linnunpaskaa.
Mä tuossa viime viikolla
Se voi olla tähän. Niin vaikutti tohonkin, ettei mulla enää paskaa täällä kun on.
niin on hävinnyt jo.
On hävinnyt jo.
Ei näy mitään.
Sopivasti se kyllä tapahtui samaan aikaan.
Joo.
Olen käärmäkset tohon, niin paskuminen loppu.
Joo. Joo, niitä istu tuossa joka veneen päällä.
Out with the old one, ever cool, has been really good and it still is, just too small, and that fits there perfectly. I think these dimensions are the same, but this is just much higher, and it's about as high as the table here, so, or the sink. There's a cover for that too, of course. So I think now we put the cord there and see what's happens. It must be 50 degrees here now. Where do I put you? I don't have any systems here. Take the cord. I was going to show you my Vevor power bank. It gives 212 volts and so on. But my friend has dead batteries in this same dock, so I let it him that, or borrowed, how do you say it? He can use it to charge the batteries. So we don't use it here now. Okay, now we have, it says here 20 degrees. At 12.1 volts. How can we get it to minus 20? No, we don't want it to minus 20. Okay, there it is. I don't know if you see, the sun is going straight away there. We put it to +4. And it shows there's 24 now. 23, sorry. Oh, I forgot there's a Bluetooth application too. I think I have to try to connect it. But now we see how long it takes to cool down. There's some funny noises. I think it was empty. Yes. Okay, we'll see. Here's my another Vevor gadget I like. I love it. My friend just borrowed it and charged the batteries with the battery charger from this port 230. And now I connected the new refrigerator to it to see how much power it consumes. Now we have the output here, and then we put on the refrigerator. It's 7 degrees already, and now it takes. That's what it takes. Output is there. It's in eco mode now, so it doesn't cool so fast, but it doesn't use so much current neither. I think it goes up to 50 when it's running all the time. No, it stays in 40. Okay. And after battery charges in neighbor's boat, there's still 96% left from this, and I can use it 6 hours, 7 hours. It says, but that's when the refrigerator is running. When it stops, then it doesn't take anything, of course. But this is, first of all, I bought it to use the CPAP equipment, and you can use two CPAPs in that with no problem. And I can play guitar with tube amplifier and transistor amplifier for singing. I can make the 8-hour gig, but my fingers don't last 8 hours, so that's good enough for that. It's a that comes from both batteries. It goes here to my little fellow, and it charges it now. And it says 30 minutes and it's full. It takes 44 watts from the both battery. And out from the little friend goes to my new big friend, to the refrigerator, which says that there's 3 degrees inside and 50.7 volts in that package. And when we go to the solar charger adjuster, it says 12.2 volts and more is coming. It's evening now. Now I'm gonna leave it like this, and I come back tomorrow to check what the voltage is, or do I have any volt, is it blown up or something else. Maybe I have cold beer inside the box. Bye bye. Next morning, and what do we have? We have the power bank full. refrigerator is cold. 15.9 volts there, which explains that why the house batteries are only 12.3. Sun isn't really to the panels now. The panels are on the side of the boat, and they are partly covered by the top there. There's one, there's another one, and the sun is right behind me now, so neither of the panels is straight to the sun. But it will be during the day, so I'm not worried about the batteries. But I take the power bank off now, because it's fully charged. And what do we have here? Oh, we have other important stuff. Yes, we don't need anything else. And it's cold, I can tell you. It's cold. Well, that was this machine. And yeah, I have to remind you, I'm in eco mode. That's enough for this. It's quite cold from here, so maybe the weather deck isn't. The sides are. Maybe I have the cooling system in the boat too. We'll see.